Good golly.
It gets this way out on 10 going from Phoenix to California.
Does it?
Yeah, people don't slow down.
Really?
Yeah. I wonder why they end up dead.
Oh my goodness. Okay, Lord, we can stop with this now.
We got our movie.
Yeah, we got our movie. This is creepy. I mean, even that first bout we went through before Tuba City didn't last long. Just a couple minutes, if that. Is it ever gonna end? I don't remember a roundabout. Is that new?
Yeah.
So we made it to our campsite okay, and then the next day we woke up to cold temps and snow. And so then a couple days later we decided to take the iconic Monument Valley Drive, where you saw in the Forrest Gump movie. We always thought it would be a lot fun to show Forrest Gump as an old geezer and put a wig on Mark and have the red hat. And when everybody was here, which this would have been a good one because there were a ton of people there, and we would have tried to get everybody to be involved, and he could do the, I'm tired now, I think I'll go home. Maybe one day. Anyway, that was our trip to Monument Valley.